Damn, putting in work.
Good, yeah.
Thanks, bae.
You're welcome. Good morning. How was your sleep? Mm-hmm. Who is that? A pretty girl? Is that the pretty girl?
Anyway, husband requested that he wanted some chicken katsu for tonight. So we have I cut up some chicken breast, some flour, a bean egg, and some panko, breadcrumbs. I think she's trying to reach for the toy. She'll be 12 weeks next week. They said that she should be starting to reach, and I think that's what she's trying to do. I put that toy there, so oh, her hands are opening up. For the most part, her hands have been in fists, so it's really weird to see her open and close it. But I've been putting that toy there, so it's in reaching length, just in case she wanted to try it. And she just woke up from her nap and is now reaching for the toy. How cute is that? Good job, Luna. Trying to stay out of sight so she can do her thing. Oh, I wish Daddy was here. It is 7:35. Dinner is ready for husband. Some chicken katsu with some katsu sauce, rice, and a fried egg. But husband's not anywhere in sight. Hopefully he'll be home soon. Movie night. Hitman. Hitman what? 4? Hitman 47. Let's check out our memories on this day. I always look at it every day. So 2012, we had our annual family Disneyland trip. Pretty cool. It's actually a really great day. That was so much fun. I usually go with our cousins from my side. Luna, what kind of noise is that? you. So my aunt came from the Philippines, Iloilo, and she brought us some really good snacks. These, I don't know what it's called, but the flavor is buko pandan. I guess it's like a young coconut. And she also got these butterscotch candies, and these are from bakeries that are local from the province we are from, so they're so yummy. See how they're doing. I think he was trying to put Luna to sleep. Alright, and call it a night. See ya.